Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this accident-free, one-owner 2015 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ. Powering this all-wheel drive SUV is a gasoline 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 10 to 15 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Checking out the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of storage space as well as storage cubbies on each side, access to 12-volt power, as well as this nice cargo net. And the lift gate is also one touch open and close. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express down on all 4 windows. You also have the Pioneer premium sound system. You have your forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and cruise control, as well as your hands-free audio on the steering wheel. This vehicle is currently sitting at 131,911 kilometers. You have a Bluetooth-ready infotainment unit, your climate controls including heated front seats, your gear select, and up top you have your liftgate settings, power sunroof, as well as this vehicle is equipped with the brownstone jet black leather interior, and the front seats are power adjustable with memory. For the back of the interior, you have cargo nets in the back of both front seats, access to 12-volt power, as well as these seats are 60/40 split folding with a flip-down cup holder in the center seat. If you would like to see this 2015 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.